All right, so this is lesson 8 in code.org's CS Discoveries, and we're looking at the practice lessons, and we're just kind of going through each one here. So in this one, we're looking at debugging this program. It says missing sprites, and if we look at the code, let's read through the directions here. It says, just look at the code below. We can see that many sprites are created, yet when we run the program, nothing shows up. Can you fix it? So when we look at this, you'll notice that we have our variable in sprite 1. A lot of times what happens when we create characters is we might misname them. So, we have sprite 1 here, and we have its location that it's going to be placed at. So sprite 1, sprite 2, sprite 3, 4, and 5. But what happens sometimes is maybe we misspell them. We forget to have an I in there or something like that. But that's not the case with this. And what's really actually happening is we haven't told it to draw the sprites. We haven't added the block of code that's going to tell it to draw these sprites. We have the correct locations. We have the names correct, so plain red, plain blue, these kind of things. So we're accessing those animations. We just need to go ahead and have it actually create it or draw it. So if we go here to world, you just got to click out here and drag this draw sprites. That's really the key for this one. If we didn't have this, let's just go ahead and run this for a second. Nothing shows up, okay? So we'll go ahead and add the draw sprite onto here. We reset it, we run it again, and there's our characters, okay? So really it's important when you are starting to create these sprites, you watch the variable names. Make sure you select the correct thing, the object that you want in the animation over here, and then always make sure that you have the draw sprite after it, because that's the last thing that it will actually draw. All those sprites that you have loaded up will be displayed over here on the screen. All right, hopefully that helps you. Good luck.